Hello. Hello. Molweni. It is storming in Cape Town. It is storming. Let me see. Can clean this off. Can you see me better now? Oh, guys. Anyway, so I ordered stuff last night from Takealot. So I'm gonna open them now before I go back into the office because really, you know how curious people. What's in the box? Don't have time for that. Be explaining, and then some of them don't even understand stuff. So I ordered this for my silver stuff. I ordered this, and I don't remember how much it was. I ordered this, and this was yesterday. Hey, that's how quick they are. I ordered that, and for my silver stuff, man, to shine my things. I don't know where it stops and starts with checking. And then I got this as well for my gold jewelry. And then of course the main thing I wanted was this. Okay, this is a band. It's an elastic band. It is 5 meters long from Takealot. I need it from my wig so they don't fly or just like flap open at the back, because the ones that came with it has gotten loose. So I need to tighten those up. Do you know this wig I've had for, I don't know, I think I've had this wig since 2013, and everybody's like, ooh, you look nice, like your straight hair. Nee. Shame, and the lady that does my hair moved. She's in town now. She used to be in Gooks, but she moved. So she did this wig and a few others that I have. Others I haven't worn yet, but this one and another one. Yeah, she did for me. I came to check in and show you what I got from Takealot. Does a person really need to come to work when it's like this? Can you see how terrible it is? I don't know if you can see behind me. I don't want to. I'll show you. I'll take a video. It is raining cats and dogs, and the wind is doing its own thing on the other side as well. So I'm gonna run into the office now, and if it's like this again tomorrow, I don't see myself coming in. I do not see myself coming in. Anyway, so I'm gonna throw the boxes away because I didn't have time to be explaining. You purchased one thing.